It's pretty small. I don't need to eat it, right?
Yeah, you can't. You gotta be 14 inches.
Okay, cool.
Let's go straight down.
Hey, I got a mackerel. Where's the guy? Yeah. Jesus, another mackerel? That's number 3. What the hell? Oh my God. Doesn't get any bigger than this. Okay, I win. Look at this. I win. Biggest fish ever. Dang it. It's playing with it. There we go. Finally freaking got him. I got another one. Yeah. It feels bigger than a mackerel. Here, I got it here. Can I get a picture with it? Thank you.
When you're done with it, go ahead and throw it in your bag.
Oh, I can eat this one?
That's one you can put in the bag. That's
Oh,
what
nice.
Yes, that's called a tree fish.
I got a fish. Yeah, I think so. Why am I catching all the giants? Dude.
Can't go down.
Yeah. It feels like it. What the? Ew! Don't touch it?
Good sugar bass.
Yeah. Come on, reel up.
Can't handle that thing.
There you go. Showing on. 1721. Feels pretty good too. Let's go. I think this is the biggest one I've got.
This will be a goat.
What?
Oh, nice.
Did I get him?
I don't know.
Is that big for here? I've never caught a lingcod smaller than 10 pounds. scorpion things, or? The heck is this? What do I have? Do I have kelp or something? Oh! No, crap! It fell off. It's right there! Get it! No! Dang it.
You see that? Yeah, I saw it.
About 15, 20 minutes, so after that he won't be cooking anything else. So let Corey know if you do want to get a cheeseburger on the way home, or hot dogs, nachos, or something like that. So I have cold drinks, coffee, and hot chocolate for the ride home. And also if you have a galley tab, you need to settle that up on the way in too. The guys are going to figure out the jackpot. Unfortunately, we are not allowed to see black sea bass. We've probably caught like 10 of those in the past week. And that was about a 70-pounder. Nice big one.
Hey, I'm.
Back down on the bottom. So,
Yeah.
once again,
Huh?
black sea bass are state fish, and you're not allowed to even put them on a boat. So they're pretty strict about that
Oh,
stuff.
you can't even put it on the boat?
Keep them in there.
Did I miss anyone with the
You have a fish! Here. Let me handline this. Here, give it. Handline. Let's go. That's just a mackerel. Okay, now we got a huge freaking mess. It ain't your weight! What the heck? Dude! He caught a fish on the weight. Oh my god. That's so dumb. How does it eat the weight? It literally ate the weight. I have a... Oh, I got a good mackerel.
So if you can fill up your galley tab, you appreciate that there. If you caught a last
I have the fish though. Look at all the fish down there. We have a double. There's a double down there. Look at that. Triple thing. Get the one on the bottom. No, you gotta get this right here. It's already dead, Nolan. Okay, hold this. Kinda. I know, it ate the weight. Here we go. Ugh. Get on. Huh? Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you wanted some information, we went out of Fisherman's Landing in San Diego on the Dolphin charter boat, and as you can see, we caught a lot of fish. And if you ever have a chance to go there, go on the Dolphin. The guys are really nice there, and they'll help you out with everything. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.